Her parting words pierce you in a crowded room, each syllable a blade slicing through your trust. What if Stoicism women don't love like you do? Playing a game you're losing? One Nietzsche's truth can help you win. Stoicism? Women don't just leave. They test your strength, offering a choice. Rise to your Stoic reign or crumble in their shadow. Stoic Reign blends Stoic philosophy with Nietzsche's fire, forging a Stoicism mindset for self-improvement. Master the brutal truth about Stoicism women and claim their respect. Watch now, or fade into their game. Stoic Reign is your forge for Stoicism motivation, guiding men to conquer Stoicism. Relationships in a world of veiled tests and fleeting promises. Stoicism. Women seek men who stand unshaken, wielding Stoicism for beginners to master pain. In a chaotic age of ambition and betrayal, Stoic philosophy cuts through illusions. Nietzsche exposed the raw truths of love, power, and strength, aligning with Stoicism lessons to build mental health and reduce anxiety. Stoicism. Women don't follow weakness. They chase clarity. Join me for 8 searing truths, fueled by Stoic quotes and bold Stoicism practices, to craft your Stoic reign and make Stoicism women feel your fire. Alex faced their sting. His partner's cold dismissal at a family gathering shattered him, her words a public wound. Stoicism. Women test men like Alex, but he forged a Stoicism mindset. Through new habits, he rebuilt, his strength a beacon. Stoicism women turned, drawn to his resolve. These truths, sparked by his rise and Nietzsche's clarity, will guide your Stoicism on love, ensuring Stoicism women see your unyielding core. First, pierce the illusion. Stoicism women weave illusions you chase. At a family feast, her laughter masks a jab, and you believe she's your shield. Nietzsche warned, men love a phantom, not a woman. Stoicism. Women craft dreams to bind you, their instinct sharp. In a world of polished masks, you see purity, not her edge. Seneca urged, see things as they are. Name one illusion, like her loyalty, in solitude tonight. This Stoicism practice sharpens your sight, grounding Stoic philosophy. Stoicism women bow to men who pierce their veil. Shatter the dream, and your Stoic reign ignites. Second, weather her storm. Stoicism women wield power like a storm's whisper. On a mountain trek, her question challenges your lead, her gaze a test. Nietzsche saw women as masters of subtle force, shaping you without a word. Stoicism. Women don't shout, they steer. Marcus Aurelius taught, master yourself, and no storm sways you. In arenas where attention reigns, her pause is power. Ignore her test today, like her probing words. This Stoicism daily habit builds emotional control, making Stoicism women question their grip. Your calm, a Stoicism mindset, commands awe. Stand firm, and your Stoic reign rises. Third, love like a warrior. Stoicism, women love with a warrior's mind. You plan a grand gesture, heart open, believing love binds you. Nietzsche declared, love is a clash, not a haven. Stoicism. Women choose strength, not romance. 70% of men misread their intent, studies show. In fleeting bonds, you seek forever. They seek now. Epictetus said, seek not her heart, but your own. Tell me, you whisper at a festival, what's your fire? Her answer reveals her game. This Stoicism exercise fuels self-confidence, drawing Stoicism women to your lead. Stoicism on love thrives when you steer, and your Stoic reign grows. Fourth, question her morality. Stoicism, women bend morality to conquer. At a wedding, her soft plea sways the crowd, masking her aim. Nietzsche exposed morality as a tool, not a truth. Stoicism, women wield kindness like a blade, winning without force. Seneca whispered, question the noble. In high-stakes circles, her tears shift tides. Recall one moment her warmth swayed you. This Stoicism practice hones mindfulness, making Stoicism women see your depth. Stoicism lessons unveil her play, and your Stoic Reign holds. You're not her knight, you're her Wi-Fi, useful till the signal drops. 5th, stand against her tests. Stoicism. Women test your steel without mercy. In a public debate, her sharp question cuts, probing your resolve. Nietzsche knew women crave men who stand, not kneel. Stoicism. Women push to break you, seeking your spine. Musonius Rufus urged, virtue is your shield. In a world where approval tempts, defiance is power. Set one boundary now, like no empty promises. This Stoicism for beginners step forges Stoicism relationships, forcing Stoicism women to respect your line. Your Stoic Reign shines when you hold fast. 6th, embrace her strength. Stoicism women rise beyond your shadow. At a market, she negotiates fiercely, her independence a storm. Nietzsche foresaw Stoicism, women unbound, thriving without your aid. In a world where ambition rules, their strength is raw. Cato taught, embrace the tide, for change endures. Praise one of her victories, like her hustle today. This Stoicism for women. Practice sparks productivity, aligning you with Stoicism, women's fire. Stoicism motivation grows in mutual strength, and your Stoic Reign endures. 7th, shine with purpose. Stoicism. Women crave men who shine, not beg. Guiding a friend through crisis, your purpose clear. You don't chase her nod. Nietzsche said, women love the man who chooses, not needs. Stoicism. Women seek builders, not pleasers. Zeno urged, live for virtue, not applause. In a sea of clamor, purpose is gold. Mentor one soul this week like a brother. This Stoicism exercise crafts life lessons, making Stoicism women feel your fire. Your Stoicism mindset is a beacon, and your Stoic Reign draws them near. 8th, you are the audition. Stoicism women don't choose you. They audition you. At a reunion, she watches your every move, not your words. Nietzsche roared, truth is your freedom. Stoicism. Women don't love need. They chase clarity. Epictetus sealed, choose your path or others will. In chaos, your Stoic Reign is rare. Set one bold goal this month, like leading a cause. This Stoicism practice forges inner strength, ensuring Stoicism women sense your core. Stoicism daily makes you untouchable, and your legacy soars. Become the man Stoicism women can't ignore, or fade in their shadow. Stoicism women pause when you soar. Imagine her at a crossroads, seeing your calm, your fire, her certainty shaken. Stoicism women don't regret. They rethink dismissing a man who thrives. Seneca urged, live fiercely, not long. Your Stoicism practice, rooted in Stoic philosophy, builds Stoicism relationships that last. Stoicism women seek strength, not noise. Your Stoic Reign, forged in self-improvement, is yours. Stoicism for beginners turns wounds into power, and Stoicism women feel your rise. Act now and own your truth. These 4 Stoicism exercises will craft your Stoic Reign, each new, vivid, and bold. First, truth mirror. In solitude, face a mirror. Name one fear Stoicism women stir, like rejection. This Stoicism daily habit builds mental health, making Stoicism women sense your depth. Start tonight, feel clearer in 7 days. Second, silent forge. Walk in nature daily 10 minutes, letting her tests fade. This Stoicism exercise grounds emotional control, ensuring Stoicism women see your calm. Begin now. Save conflicts in 14 days. Third, iron oath. Write a one-line mantra like, I lead my fate, and speak it each dawn. This Stoicism practice fuels Stoicism motivation, forging self-confidence. Commit today. Stand taller in 30 days. Fourth, flame ritual. Weekly. Write one doubt, like her approval, and burn it safely. This Stoicism exercise sparks resilience, making Stoicism women feel your Stoic reign. Act this week. Feel unshaken in 60 days. Alex used the truth mirror and rose. You can too. Stoicism. Women don't set your worth. You do. In a world of masks, Stoic philosophy carves life lessons that endure. Stoicism on love grows when you lead, easing anxiety, mastering Stoicism relationships. Your Stoicism mindset, honed by Stoicism Exercises, drives personal development. Stoicism women chase men who forge, not follow. Will you play their game or claim your Stoic reign? Join Stoic Reign to become untouchable. Subscribe, comment your fiercest truth, and share one Stoic spark below. Be the man Stoicism women can't ignore or vanish in their shadow.